Okay, so here we have the tiller, the Benchmark, 20-inch, 212 cc's, gas-powered rear tine tiller, which means when you go forward, the tines are going backwards. How to start it? Okay, so first off, come around to the front. Right here, you have two. This is the top one is your throttle, your choke. The bottom one here is your gas. So you turn your gas on, and then you pull it slow and put it back in slowly. Put over here, turn to the on position, throttle's in, you got the handle, pull it to start. It may take a little bit. Open that up a little bit. Gas is on. Woo-hoo! Let her warm up. Rolling. There you go. Easy peasy. Currently, the wheels are on dry right now. So when you go forward, it drives itself. Turn it off. Increase this. And turn it off. Now, currently the tires are set for drive mode. If you want them to freewheel so you can push it around without running it, you take these pins here out, you push the wheel further in, and then you put the pin back in without it being through the hub. Push them out, in, throw this pin back in, and then they're freewheeling, so you'll have to push it and manpower it. In this situation, in mine, with my garden here, it's a lot easier to have it on drive mode because I could use the extra hand to get it going. Now, the switches. I'll turn it back on. To go forward, you push this button, that's your safety, push it down, pull it down, it drives forward. To go in reverse, if you are stuck, this one, push down, and it goes in reverse. And there you have it. Now I'm going to have me some tiller fun.